Oh, hey guys. What's up? I have a special guest for you.
Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for having me on your vlog as a special guest. I really appreciate this.
Today for guys, we're going to have a cup, of course. We're going to have a bottle, of course. A Fanta, of course. Okay, we each get one. What one do you want? That one's pineapple, this one's berry.
Pineapple.
You get pineapple. Okay. Ready, guys? Do you want to go first?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't spill.
No.
Perfect. That's way good.
Okay, try it. 3, 2, 1.
That's very good. I like it.
Sweet. Now, let's get on with mine. Here we go.
Careful.
Well, you didn't drink all of it.
I know I can't. I want you to drink some.
You have to.
I can't drink all of
Okay.
it.
That's pretty good. Now let's try this one.
Good.
I like Fanta. Okay, obviously this one's blue. Pretty cool color. Okay,
Yep.
smells really good. Smell it. Okay, yeah, it smells really
Can I
good.
smell it?
Yeah.
Ooh, that smells good.
Okay.
Yep. Can I taste yours?
It's really good.
Not bad.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. 100% natural flavors.
What do you like? Oh. Ready?
I think I'm liking this one better, pineapple.
Pineapple?
I'm very happy to know that they are caffeine free.
Of course they are.
Contains no juice. However, there is a lot of calories and a lot of sugar.
Yep. So that's all you need to know. We have the cup here. You drink all of it.
Because I can't drink all of it.
Okay. Obviously, you put your cap on. Finally, we get to the part where we mix them. Okay, here we go. Dump yours
Together?
in. Dump yours in. On the count of 3. 3.
Go.
Go.
3.
Go.
We don't need any more than that.
Go.
That's a lot.
Put it in. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Stop. Mix her around. And what do you get?
Guys, let's mix it around, guys.
Guys, look what color it is.
It's green.
It's not yellow and it's not blue. It's green.
It's not yellow. It's not blue. It's green. Green.
Can I taste it?
3. On 3, you get to taste it. Okay.
Ready, set, go. Wow, that's bursting with flavor. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for having me on your vlog.
Here we go, guys. It's delicious. Same as always.
Peace out.
What does she have to say before she leaves and I start the regular vlog?
Peace.
Really? That's all?
What do you want me to say?
Whatever you want.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Peace.
Okay then. If that's what she wants to say, she can say bye.
Peace out, homies.
She's a wacko.
Say that. Ooh, what happened here?
I'm gonna get more, guys.
Nate, no more soda. Roger, no more soda.
Good.
Please.
Done.
You gotta get your happy stuff.
Is that going?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
And we can't wait to know how those skates work. You can get dressed, fully dressed at the rink.
I love you guys. I will see you. I forgot my Fanta. Mm. Yep. Okay. I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for this moment. I got a new door handle. Let's go. My old crappy one looks like this. Yep, no door handle. I want to put it on his. Now it looks like this. It's locked. I'm mad. Do I have the key?